If you're a painting contractor that uses DripJobs, I want to show you in this video how you can automatically add your clients and customers to a Mailchimp account or any email newsletter type software using Zapier to automatically do that. So if that's of interest, stick around because that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris. I am the owner of Boolean Automation, where our mission is to free you up to do what you love. We work specifically with painting contractors to help you automate all of the mundane, tedious, boring tasks that are literally copy and paste type things, and emails are a perfect example of that. One of the most common things we do for painting companies is we help identify the correct tech stack that is going to help them reach their financial goals, their business goals, and help all the people in their business operate efficiently. So whether you are a $500,000 solo owner operator, or you are a $10 million or $15 million painting company with W-2 employees and overhead staff, the software that you're going to need varies greatly. And our team are experts at knowing all the softwares in the painting world. And then once you select the correct stack, we can automate and get everything talking together. So we streamline reporting, eliminate paper, all that stuff. That's what we do every day. So if that's of interest, please grab a time down below and we'd be happy to chat with you about that. Now, let's get into this video on getting contacts into Mailchimp. So I'm inside of Zapier here. I've got my DripJobs trigger. And one of the things to note is that you have the various different triggers that you can use. In this case, I'm going to use when an on-site estimate is scheduled. So anytime an on-site estimate is scheduled, I can have a series of things happen. So I first need to test some data, get that coming through so I can actually show you the next step. And so the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to have a new appointment here, on-site estimate, and we're going to put in a new contact, and this is going to be called Princess Leia, and her name is Princess L at helloboolean.com, and her phone number 555-555-5555. The address we're going to say is 789. That sounds great. Don't know whose address that is. Hit save. And so I just booked a new appointment. And now if I go back into Zapier, I can test the trigger because I just did that. And let's go ahead and find new records and see which one comes up. So we want to see this Princess Leia one. We're going to go ahead and click continue. And now I want to add Mailchimp. So I click Mailchimp and I'm going to say add subscriber. Let's add update subscriber. So I hit continue, continue again. And then the audience, I'm going to select for this random company, and the email, the subscriber email is going to be the customer's email. And then for double opt-in, I could say true or false. I recommend doing true. And then we want to update existing. So yes, that's what we want to do. And down here, so we're going to go ahead and put it into, well, we don't want to replace groups. That's fine. Tags. If you have tags, you could use the ones that you have in your business. Those are not required. Make sure you put in the first and last name of the customer. So I'm going to do first name, last name. And I do think that the address and all this stuff is helpful. Again, if you're doing this manually, you might not put it in, but since it is all done, since this is all automated, why not map it correctly the first time and just have it in there? So I can put my job address, I can put the city, I can put the state, I can put the zip, and the country, that's obvious. And then let's go ahead and put in the phone number of the person as well. So do that and continue. And there you go. I'm going to go ahead and skip the test on this one. But that is how, whenever you schedule an estimate, you could automatically add someone to the subscriber list in your Mailchimp. And again, if you don't use Mailchimp, maybe you use Constant Contact, HubSpot, whatever it is, any of those apps, most of the popular ones do have integrations with Zapier. So this is super easy to set up. If this was valuable, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are a painter, because we got a lot more automation content coming at you. And lastly, leave some comments down below. What other videos would you like to see? I create tutorials on different things that you can automate in your painting business every day. So please let me know what you'd like to see, and I'll add that to the queue.